Hello, my cutie. Today we are going to do a sexy push-up. For this move, I 100% recommend that you can already do some form of push-up on your feet and hands, so not on your knees because you won't be able to jiggle when you are on your knees. You don't have to go all the way down. I'm just going to explain the technique and then you can ease into it once you get stronger. I did upper body this morning in the gym, so I'm gonna be weak, but that's fine because I'm just gonna show you the technique. So to go into our sexy push-up, or just to explain the booty movement, it's just a jiggle. So it's the same thing that we've done over and over again in the jiggle. I'll put a tutorial in the description, a link to a tutorial in the description if you haven't done that yet. But basically, it's just a jiggle and a push-up together. And now let's make that look easy. So what you do when you're in a push-up position, I know a lot of people hate on this on the internet. They're like, oh, these girls doing push-ups with their booty out. And I'm like, you know why? Because we want to twerk while we at it. So that's tip number one. You come to a plank, and normally you do a push-up like this. Make sure that your core is tight and your tailbone's tucked under. But for a sexy push-up, we're gonna place our legs a little bit wider. I'll show you like this. A little bit wider than you would normally do, so pop. And then you push your bootay up instead of tucking your tailbone under. So we are here, we go up, and then we start to jiggle. So what you can do is basically this with your legs. That's a very exaggerated thing, but you can kind of shimmy. Make sure that you get the shimmy before you start doing the push-up. So this is what you're gonna practice first. Then, once you feel like you've got this, you can speed it up a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, and then you do a push-up. And we go. Ta. I hope that helped. First, focus on the shimmy in the plank or in our semi-plank because our tailbone is sticking out, and then start doing your push-up. I hope that helped. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.